Hi everyone, welcome back to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. We have a platinum blonde wig to review. On Amazon, the vendor's name is COOL2DAY Wig, but I believe they are affiliated with A to Z Wig. We are reviewing a short synthetic platinum blonde wig. Without further ado, let's get to the review. So in the package, they gave us an A to Z brochure, a thank you card with an incentive on the back, and a classic wig cap. So those were the extra items. Let's talk about the hair. The first topic is initial shedding, so I'm going to do my usual comb through. So I'm actually shocked because this is a synthetic wig and there is no shedding. So kudos to that. So the next topic is the length. I have the wig hanging freely, starting from the middle point of the wig. It's a good length for a bob wig. So the 14-inch mark is right here. So this wig is about 14 inches long. So that's what's up. So the next topic is smell. This wig is odorless. This wig does not have a smell, so kudos to that. As far as texture, this hair feels actually really nice. It doesn't feel like synthetic hair. I'm not saying that it feels like human hair, but I believe that this is a different synthetic fiber. There are many different synthetic fibers that vendors can create their wigs with, and this synthetic fiber that they use actually feels really nice. So hopefully this kind of synthetic hair fiber will last a long period of time. And the hair pattern for this synthetic wig is wavy. It's actually really nice. I really do like the curl pattern on this wig. And as far as volume, this hair has lots of volume. It's pretty thick and full. I'm actually excited to try it on. I've never tried a platinum blonde wig. I've tried blonde, but not platinum blonde. So this is definitely going to be different. And every time I comb my fingers through this hair, it doesn't get stuck. So this wig is definitely tangle free. And as far as the hair ends look good. This wig is definitely layered. The ends aren't dry. And I definitely do like how this wig is cut. I do. So kudos to that. So this is a lace front wig. So the vendor does give you a hairline, which is awesome. It does look slightly pre-plucked. So that's good. This wig doesn't have any baby hair. We will have to sacrifice part of the hairline to create some baby hair, which isn't a problem. You know, clearly we have some work to do with this wig. The lace color is actually a good color, so it should blend nicely with my complexion. So now let's talk about the inner structure of the wig. So this is the front of the lace. It does have a parting space, so we can double check the size. So the parting space is 3 inches deep in the exact middle of the wig. Now we can go ahead and measure this lace area right here. Okay, so they give you about 1.5 inches of lace on the sides. So this is the right side of the wig in the front. So going across ear to ear, they give you 11 inches from your left ear to your right ear of lace. So this is the front of the wig, and as you can see, they give you 3 wig clips, one in the center of the wig and one on each side. Let's go ahead and talk about the back. So this is the back of the wig, and there is not another wig clip. So this wig is netted. So this wig should be breathable. I'm not entirely sure if this wig is big head friendly, but it does have some space right here. It does seem hopeful, but then again, there's a very small parting space. So we're just gonna have to try this baby on and decide at that point if this wig is big head friendly. And then again, there isn't a bottom wig clip, but they do have 2 drawstrings for you to connect to the hooks here. So that's it for this wig. Let's go ahead and try this wig on. Okay guys, so I have the wig on, and this is definitely different. This color doesn't look so bad. I was so afraid to see how platinum blonde hair looked on me, and it's not bad. I will say that the wig is a little snug, so I cannot say that it is big head friendly. So now that I have the wig on, I will say that I don't like how the hair lays, like you can see right here how this wig is structured. The hair doesn't fall into place correctly. The hair really doesn't lay flat. Like if the wind blows, your tracks will definitely show. Overall, I rate this wig a 7 out of 10. Losing 1 point because the structure isn't the best, your tracks may show. Losing an additional point because the parting space is very small for this style. And losing a final point because this wig is not big head friendly. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to be subscribed to Slate's Secrets YouTube channel. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye!